Uh, One good item you could use for bartering is pliers. You can use it to trade with someone that has something that you need, and maybe in need of some flyer on hand. Maybe then if we're low or out of in the preps, and they can use some more flyers for the preps. And other good prep bartering items besides leave kittens alone. Other good bartering items would be sugar, coffee, cigarettes, toilet paper, alcohol. It's all kinds of stuff, all kinds of different things that you could make sure you got plenty of that you can use for trading to get stuff that you may run out of, run low, or be in need of that you can trade for with stuff that somebody else you have on hand that somebody else may need. Flyer's a good bartering item for that you'd have in your food preps. Long-term food storage and for cooking, and as well as bartering. And leave that kitten alone. I gotta let you go. Baby won't leave the kitten alone. I'll talk to you later.